Look at my pretty boy. Look at that pretty boy. You want to go up there, Jules? My Romeo. My pretty Romeo. You come to Mama. Say, why you leave me? Why'd you leave me? You left me alone for a couple minutes. Hey, Jules. You saying hi? You saying hi to the camera? You say hi to the camera? Say hi. You just want to chew my phone. Look at you. You just want to chew my phone. My little Romeo, you look so orange on the camera. Well, you are orange. Very orange, but you look even darker on the camera. I guess that's what you look like. Yeah. You're so colorful. He's a colorful, pretty bird. And Julie, look at you. Yeah, you're colorful too. You got orange feet. You got a blue tummy, your fluorescent greens. Yeah, see that? Now we can see the back of you guys. I'm trying to show. Oh, there we go. Get out of my ear. Get out of my phone. Ow! Don't bite me, you little freak. Showing my messy room. There's my pretty birdies. Look at my pretty babies. You guys are so cute. Oh, kissy, kissy. I love you too. Yes. You clean my face. You guys, my little preeners. You preen your mama. You can't eat my phone. You can't eat my phone. You better hold my speaker. Yeah. You already beat a hole in my speaker. You gonna dance? Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. You got some grooves. You go side to side and up and down. Yeah, you grooving. Say, I'm a grooving birdie. I love to jam.